What's up, YouTube? Are you trying to make videos all the time but finding it really hard to find stock footage? There's a reason for that. Stock footage, unlike stock photos, really hard to find online. But I found the perfect solution in StockNation 2.0. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make me online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is absolutely ridiculous. Go back to The Simpsons. Just be a funny kid or something on there. Stop bothering everybody. You're really annoying. He's so annoying. He does this all the time. Can't stand the guy. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I'm going to give it to my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you're so unlike that Bart character. You're so sweet. You can stay as long as you like. Seriously, she's such a sweetheart. She says the same thing to me every single time. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page for StockNation. Now, first of all, for my loyal fans, I apologize. I haven't been around for the past couple of days. I was busy working on the launch of Boost Opt-in and just really haven't had a free second. But I'm back now. I promise I will try to record new videos every single day, just like I used to. And we're going to start off with this review of StockNation from my friend Roshni Dahl. So check this out. This is really, really cool stuff over here. Now, StockNation has been around for a while. I picked up a copy of it, back in, I think, November, December of last year, something like that. And I have been using it quite a bit. It's been one of my secret go-to weapons for basically creating a lot of my explainer videos and things like that. Now, what I want to point out to you is really, really important is this right here. If you take a look, this is Shutterstock. This is what it usually costs to purchase a video, at least like $80 or so. And it can cost a couple $100. And you pay for the video. Yes, you get it royalty free, you get to use it over and over again, but you pay per video that you actually license. This is ridiculous. It costs a fortune to get these videos. They take a lot of time, a lot of money, and every single time you need another video, you gotta start looking and then pay a fortune for them. It is absolutely insane. And so when I saw StockNation and they said it was, I think, $49 one time and you never pay it for it again, I was like, wow, that's a great deal. And so I picked up a copy and I liked it, but all the videos were basically just free videos you can get elsewhere. What they did was they basically gathered together free videos from about 15 or 20 different websites, which it's convenient. And they gathered them all together. They made them searchable. It was easy to find them. But it was basically just free videos I could have theoretically gotten elsewhere. Okay, for $49, I said, why not? And now out comes StockNation 2.0. And now this is insane. Okay, StockNation 2.0, unlike the original StockNation, comes with tens of thousands of premium videos. Now, premium videos, what I mean by that is that these are videos that you cannot find on free sites. They've actually created a library of premium stuff that is exclusively available on StockNation. That's a very, very big deal because, like I said, you can pay like $80 for a video on a place like Shutterstock, Video Blocks, all these places. You pay a fortune for them. You get one pack, you get all these videos. I'm going to show you the members area in just a second. You get all these videos for a price of just $49. That is utterly insane. And, you know, I don't understand why they would even charge so much money for a single video.
That's not fair.
Yeah, I agree it's unfair. That's why I like StockNation so much. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at the members again. I want you to really see what's included here. So let's right over here. This is the members area of StockNation. You can see obviously they have all these different videos that you can see it, and everything that says premium. Those are videos that are not available to the general public. These are Creative Commons videos that are available from other websites, and they have a mixture of different videos. And so let's say, for example, I want to search for, I don't know, people. Oh, never mind. Let's just click here, people. And so it's actually going to show me all the different things. You can search for all kinds of different stuff. And I've been able to find pretty much anything I could possibly need here. So, for example, if I'm looking for, I don't know, somebody who is excited, I can put in excited. And I actually have used this, by the way, for my own sales videos that I've actually created. I've been able to find all these kind of things. So here's a nice one. It's a premium video, not available elsewhere. Take a look. And the nice thing is you can use these things as B-roll videos as well. So what do I mean by B-roll video? B-roll video basically means video that you can go ahead and use for, like right now, you're going to see me speaking. You're going to hear me speaking, but somebody else is actually in the background, this lady, if the video ever loads. Kind of slow today, but whatever, it's not a problem. You'll be able to see it inside of this finished video. And the idea basically is that you can put together all kinds of stuff, and it's a really, really cool product that really has a tremendous number of different videos available. And it's $49 right now. Now, I am going to be giving you a bonus. Basically, I'm going to give you my personal video guide on how to use DaVinci Resolve. It's a really cool video I put together. You can't get it elsewhere. It's exclusive to me, and I really think this could be a really great thing for you. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to tip my hat to the product creator or not. So am I going to give a tip my hat to the product creator? You bet I am. I liked StockNation before. Now that they've got all this premium content, I absolutely love it, and you're going to love it too. Go ahead and grab it. It's a great deal.